Today, we make a Mens Kennedy Tartan Kilt. Before manufacturing, we need important items which help to make this kilt. In the first step, we select the fabric and then cut it according to the customer's length and waist. After that, we cut the fabric to make plaits and stitch them with a straight stitch. Then we stitch the pleats across the top to secure them inside the kilt. After that, we made loops and stitched them on the back waist. We took leather straps and stitched them on both sides with buckles for fastening.